All right, today we're going to dig into a really interesting piece of kit. It's the AIDA Imaging IPComm PoE.
Right.
And our goal here is to figure out, what problems this little box actually solves. I mean, if you're already using an IP camera, what's stopping you from just using a cheap Wi-Fi bridge? What does this thing really do?
Well, that's the thing. It's much more than just a simple bridge.
Okay.
You can think of it as the essential missing link for turning any IP-based camera into a truly professional wireless unit.
So it's not just the video.
No, it's video and control data straight to a standard Wi-Fi router.
Mm-hmm.
It's really built for those on-the-go scenarios, where mounting and hardwiring just aren't an option.
So that's the key. It's about cutting down the rigging.
Exactly.
And it looks like it tackles power right away. It's got built-in PoE plus injection.
It does, up to the IE 802.3 ATET standard. So you're powering the camera directly from this unit.
So wait, that's one less cable you have to run to the camera itself.
That's cable number 2, gone, yeah.
Yes. And for power in the field.
You've got options, which is great. You can use a standard DC-12V or, and this is key for portability, an NPF battery.
The battery's not included, I see.
No, you'll have to bring your own. But the unit itself is built tough, hardened aluminum case, 3 1420 mounting holes. It's designed to be thrown into a quick setup.
And you can use more than one for a multicam shoot.
Oh yeah, you can pair multiple units, totally built for that kind of workflow.
Okay, so let's get to the performance, because this is where I think the professional discipline really has to kick in. You're pushing 4K over Wi-Fi.
Uh-huh.
What are the raw specs we're looking at here?
So it's using modern standards, i.e. 802.11ac, all the usual suspects, on 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. The physical transmission rate can get up to 80 megabits per second.
And for the actual video?
For video, you can go up to 4K, but it's capped at a max of 50 megabits per second.
50 megabits. Okay, that's pretty reasonable ceiling for a compressed 4K. But the sources, they list 3 really important rules for it to work right. And one of them is, well, it's the real kicker.
It is. The first 2 are common sense. Minimize obstacles, keep the Wi-Fi signal over 60%.
Right, standard stuff.
But that third rule, that is the critical asterisk for any professional using this.
And that is?
The camera's actual bandwidth that you're sending, it has to be managed to stay between 2 kilobits per second and a maximum of 50 kilobits per second.
How long did you say? Kilobits?
I did. Kilobits.
That's 1,000 times less than the 50 megabits per second we just talked about.
Yeah.
Wow. So that 50 kbp's limit, that's the whole story right there.
It's everything. It means you have to use some extreme compression on the camo side, almost like pre-2000s level compression.
And what happens if you go over?
So the sources are very clear. You go over 50 kilobits, and you will immediately get delay and what they call video rupturing.
So you're basically trading high resolution for incredibly low data movement.
That is the exact trade-off.
So the freedom's there, but only if you have absolute mastery over your bandwidth. So what does a piece of gear this specialized run you?
Right now, the price is $310.
$310.
And it's important to know, if you're shopping around, that price already includes the 15% tariff that was added back in October of 2025.
That's good. No surprises.
No surprises. And it usually ships the same day, free shipping in the US, and it comes with a solid 2-year warranty.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you, the user? The IPComm PoE. It offers this amazing flexibility for your remote IP cameras, right?
Right.
Consolidating power and data.
It does, but, and it's a big but, that freedom is completely conditional. You have to follow the rules.
You have to live by those rules.
Correct. The core value is flexibility, but only if you understand that 4K wireless freedom means sticking to that signal strength and, critically, that tiny 50 kbps bandwidth window.
Which really leaves us with a final thought, doesn't it? When your professional wireless solution requires you to compress your signal so tightly down to between 2 and 50 kilobits per second, how radically does that force you to rethink your entire workflow compared to just running a simple, high-bandwidth Ethernet cable?